Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change your bank account on Wise. To start this tutorial, open wise.com in your internet browser and make sure you're logged in as well. Once wise.com is already loaded, go over to the upper right and click on your profile icon. Click on it and there's a drop down. This time, you are going to tap on Settings, the gear icon itself. Tap on it. Now wait for the website to load. In here, scroll down. And then look for Connected Accounts. Tap on it this time. Here, you can add your payment methods or on how you want to change your bank. Over at Social, there's a lot of options here as well. Just look for the bank you want to add into. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe.